how you can get involved in the new series.
Jimmy, stop picking your nose.
I'm just practicing for my new game. Picking boogers. One of the piggies has a booger inside. Mix them up. Where's the booger now? Pick and find. A piggy booger here. Now play a game. The booger fun will never end. Picking boogers from Mega Blue.
We break in and feed the park for winter. Oppan Gangnam Style.
What'd you have for breakfast?
The Nut Job on Blu-ray 3D and DVD now. Billy Bones is surrounded by ghosts. Your gun will count each ghost you blast. The one who hits the most ghosts will be the winner. Ghost Hunt.
Ah, from Mega Blue.
CITV have teamed up with Tech Santa to run a fantastic competition, and soon we'll get to meet the winner. And our special guest, superstar footballer Frank Lampard.
He is the all-time leading goal scorer for Chelsea, and he also writes his own children's books. So we invited him to get involved with the Tech Santa Christmas Share a Story competition.
Our winner, Neve, has arrived for her big day, and she got to meet Frank and CITV's top designers.
First of all, I just want to say what an amazing story it is. I can't wait to see the finished article, because you did brilliantly. We're all very impressed.
So, Neve, can you tell us what your story's about?
It's about a boy called Joshua who thinks about Santa because he gives all the gifts to children in the world, but no one gives him any.
And she even got to voice her own story.
The story I want to share is about Santa's.
Oh, that's animation gold. You've got the gift. No wonder you won.
Can you tell us the best part of your day here at CITV?
Well, the best part was when I first walked into here and I saw everyone and I was like, wow.
So Neve had an awesome time with Frank at CITV. Keep watching CITV to see the finished Tech Santa Share a Story animation.
And don't forget to watch Tech Santa on December the 19th from 8 p.m, where Ant and Dec kick off the Charity Appeal extravaganza on ITV. I see Daisy the polar bear holding a mince pie by Annabelle.
Soccer Stars and Toys R Us sponsor CITV Breakfast.
It's not fair when Mum and Dad nag, stand up straight, don't be rude. It's so not fair, cause the killer boy rats no school stinks kids rule. So when they send you to your room, sing a little tune. You sing na 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 na, na 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 na.
Was as big as a tennis ball.
Mom! Henry's putting me off my breakfast.
Don't be horrid, Henry.
I wish I could be in the big book of weird and wacky records.
Yeah, for the world's smelliest socks.
You're the smelly, nappy baby round here.
The world's smelliest. Ooh, excuse me. I've got hiccups.
Oh, now, what did they recommend on I'm a Parent Get Me Out of Here? Oh, I know. Something sweet and sugary.
Yeah, just put a live frog down his pants. That'll get rid of them.
Here we are, Peter. Have a spoonful of honey.
Oh, no! Now I've got hiccups too. Hick! Hick! I must have caught them off Peter. I need something sweet too.
No, you don't, Henry. You've got super hiccups, so you need...
A sweet?
No, Henry. Pickled onion juice.
That your favourite book, Henry?
Yeah, look at this!
What's he doing with that cucumber?
I don't think you want to know.
Right. I hope you've all brought in your favourite book. Who'd like to go first?
Famous!
Oh, thank you, Henry. Yes. One of my favourite books, too. I particularly like the record for the world's most effective teacher.
The world's baggiest...
Henry's got the hiccups. Henry's got the hiccups. Henry's got the hiccups.
Silence! Try again, Henry.
The world's baggiest bot was as big.
Thank you. I think we've all heard enough, Henry.
Oh, I've got to get rid of these hiccups.
Now, children, today I want you to mix up some blue dye and some yellow dye and see what colour you can make.
Psst, Brian!
What is it, Henry?
Can you mix up a potion to scare my hiccups away?
No problem! First, we need to mix up some plutonium blastamite. And then we add the magnesium nitro fizzle. And now, the most important ingredient of all, dynamitium exploding bauxite.
Oh, well, that didn't work. Oh, how am I going to get rid of these hiccups? I didn't realise that laughing could make you so miserable.
If you can get hiccups from laughing, maybe being really sad can get rid of them.
What's the saddest thing you can think of, William? Not enough jam on my toast. Mine would be losing all my pocket money.
Come with me, Henry. Come on then, drop it.
Maybe there's something else that would make me sad. So did that make you sad, Henry?
Did that get rid of your hiccup?
No, just made me really angry. Ralph, what are you doing?
Trying to give you a fright.
Oh, thanks.
Maybe it would work if you gave someone a fright.
Okay, so who would you say is the smelliest boy in the school?
Henry.
Apart from Henry. Ha! Don't you just hate getting your feet wet, Henry?
Huh?
Time!
Oh!
I don't know.
It didn't work!
Boo!
Ah! Ralph! That's really scary!
Did it work?
No!
Hello, Henry. Miss Oddbod wants to see you in her office.
Oh, great. That's all I need. Oh, whatever it wasn't my fault.
Oh, no, Henry, you haven't done anything wrong today. I've got someone here who wants to meet you. This is Mr. Snapshot from the Big Book of Weird and Wacky Records.
Hi there, Henry. Call me Sam. We think you're about to break a record.
Me? What record?
Well, according to my notes, you got your hiccups at 9:30 this morning, and you've been hiccuping at a constant rate ever since. We estimate that you have hiccuped 9,389 times.
4 more, and you've got the town record.
You mean I could be a record breaker?
3 more to go. So, we need a picture of you for next year's cover, and there's £50 of prize money too.
Wow! I'm going to be rich and famous!
Let's go outside, shall we? I want to get a photo of that record-breaking hiccup. Whenever you're ready, hiccuping Henry.
Any minute now! I can feel it! It's on its way!
Oh, I love it when he hiccups.
We found one, Henry!
What? There's a frog in my trousers! Ah! There's a frog in my trousers! What did you do that for, worm? Oh, no!
Oh, Peter, you've got rid of Henry's hiccups.
Yes! He said a frog would get rid of my hiccups, so I thought it would work for him.
Better luck next time, Henry.
Next, it's Turbo Time with Max Dio. And who doesn't like to get turbo?